not with us, and they're on their way, and a number of runners slow into stride. They include Mguni together with Great Desire and Garia's Daughter and Bobby Sox are all losing between 2 lengths and 4 lengths. They make their way quickly to the 1600 meter mark, and it's Castle Hill that takes up the early running. From back in second there we've got Belo Horizonte. On the far side is the Grey Manzi, who's in third position, followed by Downtown Twilight. Back on the fence we find Sido, another length back to on the far side. New York been rushed around the horses there. Great Desire just taking a check as New York moves in. Captain Grant's perfectly placed some 7 lengths off them. Just behind that we find Mguni together with Picadillo. Towards the back of the field that's Garia's Daughter, and right at the back of the field that looks like it could be Mguni. Castle Hill and Quinton Riddle, a nice relaxed gallop, leads by 2. Back in second Amanzi. Third place belongs to Downtown Twilight. Back on the fence is Belo Horizonte. Just behind that we find Sido. Moving up behind that is New York together with Great Desire. Captain Grant's got 8 to go. On his far side is the red cap of Picadillo. Bobby Soxa, Garia's Daughter will turn into the straight last. They're going to swing right-handers here at Bardell Park. Quinton Riddle's had a good run in front, and Downtown Twilight strikes early here for Carl Zekna. Back in third we've got Amanzi. Just behind that is Sido together with Belo Horizonte, but it's Castle Hill on the paint. He leads by a length. In second is Downtown Twilight. Sido's running in between runners together with Belo Horizonte. It's Downtown Twilight with that lightweight. Back on the inside we've got the Grey Amanzi. In between runners is Sido together with stable companion Belo Horizonte, but Downtown Twilight keeps rolling. Back in second, Sido and Amanzi coming forward strongly. It's Amanzi from back in second, Downtown Twilight. Amanzi, Downtown Twilight, but Amanzi's going to get up here. A big turn up here. Back in second, Downtown Twilight. Third will go to Sido, and fourth will go to Captain Grant in a tight finish. Well, this was a turn up here at Bardell Park, and it's Gokhan Terzi again, but not with the favourite here, Sido, who would have gone off favourite with the late scratching of Detective Casey. It's going to go to horse number 6, Amanzi. Well done to Daniel Frank. This horse ran a good race with him last time out, went 4th behind Bo Jali. And he'll just get the better out. Downtown Twilight. Carl Zekna rode a pearler here, moved early in the straight with that low weight. Sido was climbing all over horses, was battling to get a run. But the stable will be over the moon for the grey. That's number 6, Amanzi and Daniel Frank. Second will go to Downtown Twilight. If you've got the trifecta, you put it somewhere safe. Third will go to Sido. And fourth will just maybe go to Belo Horizonte ahead of Captain Grant in a tight finish for fourth. Once again, those 2 late scratchings, horses 3.